લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ ઇન્કમ જોયું હતું. નાવ ડિડક્શન એલિજિબલ ફ્રોમ ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ. ડિડક્શન માટેની ક્લોઝ છે એ સેક્શન 80C ટુ 80U ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ એક્ટની અંદર આપેલી છે. સેક્શન વાઇઝ આપણે ડિડક્શન જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ સેક્શન 80C, deduction in respect of certain investment in LIC, contribution to provident fund, contribution to public provident fund, tuition fee, housing loan, EMI, etc. Now, what is limit? Maximum limit from exemption. After assessment year 2015-16, there is 1,50,000. For life insurance premium, if policy taken before 1/4/2012, maximum 20% of policy amount premium is allowed. જે આપણે ઓલરેડી એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ ઇન્કમમાં LIC લાઈફ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ ઇન્કમમાં જોયેલું જ હતું. સેમ વે ઇફ પોલિસી ટેકન ઓન ઓર આફ્ટર 1/4/2012, maximum 20% of policy amount premium is allowed. Second, 80CCC, deduction in respect of contribution to certain pension fund. After assessment year 2015-16, the deduction is allowed maximum up to rupees 1,50,000. Who is eligible? Individual is eligible. 80CCD, contribution under central government pension scheme. Own contribution as well as employees contribution up to 10% of salary is allowed. Who is eligible? Individual assessee is eligible. 80CCG, Rajiv Gandhi Equity Saving Scheme, deduction up to rupees 25,000 or 50% amount investment in specified equity share, whichever is less is exempted. Who is eligible? Individual. Next, 80D, Mediclaim premium. Maximum rupees 25,000 premium paid toward medical premium of self, spouse, children. In case of senior citizen, 30,000 is allowed as a deduction. Plus 25,000 medical premium of parents. If parents are senior citizen, then 30,000 is allowed as a deduction. Who is eligible? Individual as well as HUF. Next, 80DD, medical treatment of dependent. Maximum rupees 50,000 is allowed as a deduction of a medical treatment of dependent or deposited in any scheme of LIC or UTI. જો મેડિકલ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરાવવામાં ન આવતી હોય પણ ફ્યુચરમાં મેડિકલ ટ્રીટમેન્ટની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હોય અને અત્યારથી એનું સેવિંગ સ્પેસિફાઈડ સ્કીમની અંદર LICની અથવા તો UTIની સ્કીમમાં એનું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરવામાં આવતું હોય તો એ પણ બાદ મળવાપાત્ર છે. In case of several disability, the amount is 1 lakh is allowed. This is 75,000 and this is 1,25,000. 75,000 and this is 1,25,000 is allowed as a deduction. In case of several disability, the amount is 1,25,000 is allowed as a deduction. Who is eligible? Individual as well as HUF is eligible. 80DDB, medical treatment of self or dependent for specified disease. Specified disease નું લિસ્ટ આપેલું છે ગવર્મેન્ટે. એ મુજબ જે પણ સ્પેસિફાઈડ ડિસીઝ હોય એની ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરવા માટે 40,000 ઇઝ અલાઉડ એઝ એ ડિડક્શન. ઇન કેસ ઓફ સિનિયર સિટીઝન માટે ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરાવવાની થતી હોય તો એ 60,000 ઇઝ અલાઉડ એઝ એ ડિડક્શન. Who is eligible? Individual as well as HUF is allowed. 80E, interest on education loan. Allowed deduction for 8 years or interest is fully paid whichever is less. Maximum 8 years સુધીનું interest education loan નું deductible છે. Who is eligible? Individual. 80G, deduction in respect of donation. Maximum up to 10% of gross salary. Income allowed 10% of total donation. Maximum up to 10% of gross salary. Income allowed 50% of donation. No limit of 100% of donation made. No limit 50% of donation made. Who is eligible? All type of assessee. 80 QQB, royalty of book or on arts, literature or science. Deduction 100% of such royalty or rupees 3 lakhs, whichever is less, is allowed as a deduction. 80 RRB, royalty under the Patent Act 1970 received on or after 1/4/2003. Deduction allowed at the rate of 100% of such royalty or rupees 3 lakhs, whichever is less. 80 TTA, interest on saving account, maximum of rupees 10,000 to be allowed as a tax-free income. Individual and HUF is allowed for deduction. 80U, physical or mentally disability. In case of not more than 40% disability, the allowed deduction is 75,000. In case of several disability, the allowed deduction is 1,25,000. That is more than 80% of disability. So these are the list of deduction which are deductible from taxable income. Now detail list of certain payment. First one, ATC deduction. In case of ATC, list of certain payment is allowed as a deduction under section ATC. First, payment toward life insurance of self, spouse, dependent children paid in other than case from taxable income. Means જેનું પેમેન્ટ છે એ અધર દેન કેસ એટલે કે બીજા કોઈ પણ મોડથી ફંડ ટ્રાન્સફર, ચેક, ડિમાન્ડ ડ્રાફ્ટ વગેરેથી થયેલું હોવું જોઈએ અને પેમેન્ટ શેમાંથી થયેલું હોવું જોઈએ? ટેક્સેબલ ઇન્કમમાંથી. Contribution toward public provident fund, contribution toward recognized provident fund, contribution toward statutory provident fund, contribution toward notified pension scheme, subscription of national saving certificate post office માં મળે, deposit in time deposit with financial institute or bank, means 5-year ની special tax saving deposit, repayment of housing loan, that is principal amount, stamp duty paid on purchase of new house, investment in notified equity related mutual fund, investment in notified infrastructure companies bond, payment of tuition fee, education fee for children maximum of 2 child. Eligibility, only individual assessee is eligible for this deduction. Maximum rupees 1,50,000 is allowed as a deduction. Condition, such payment or investment must have been paid out of taxable income of the assessee. Deduction under section 80C is available to individual assessee only. Next, 80CCC, payment toward certain contribution towards certain pensions fund. First, eligibility, only individual assessee is eligible. Maximum deduction is allowed rupees 1,50,000. Condition, such payment or investment must have been paid out of taxable income. Deduction under 80CCC is available to individual assessee only. The premium must have been paid by any mode other than the case. Any pension received from annuity plan or amount received on surrender of plan will be considered taxable in that year receiving the amount. 80CCD, contribution under central government's pension scheme. Eligibility, only individual assessee are allowed. The appointment of assessee is made on or after 1/1/2004. Self-employed assessee can also claim this exemption. Assessee must have contributed during the financial year under the pension scheme approved by the central government of India. Maximum deduction allowed 10% of basic plus DA. Condition, such payment or investment must have been paid out from taxable income only. Deduction under section 80CCD is available to individual assessee only. Accumulated balance of pension fund received by assessee or his family member on retirement or early withdrawal is totally taxable. Now note, it is very important, total amount of deduction under section 80C, 80CCC and 80CCD is restricted to 1,50,000 only. ત્રણેયનું ડિડક્શન 150 બાદ મળે છે, ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ નહીં. નેક્સ્ટ 80CCG, રાજીવ ગાંધી ઇક્વિટી સેવિંગ સ્કીમ. Eligibility, only resident individual is allowed for this deduction. Maximum deduction allowed rupees 25,000 or 50% of investment in notified share, whichever is lower. Condition, the deduction will be available if gross total income of assessee does not exceed 10 lakhs. જો ગ્રોસ ટોટલ ઇન્કમ 10 લાખ કરતાં વધારે હશે તો 80CCG નો બેનિફિટ મળવા પાત્ર નથી. તો assessee must have been made such investment as a new retail investor. The investment is made as a specified in notified listed share, that is BSE 50, NSE 50, BSE 100 notified script હોય એની અંદર જ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરવું પડે. The share must be locked in for a period of 3 years from the date of acquisition. એટલે શેર પરચેસ કર્યા પછી 3 years સુધી શેર ટ્રાન્સફર કરી શકતા નથી. તો રાજીવ ગાંધી ઇક્વિટી સેવિંગ સ્કીમનો બેનિફિટ મળવાપાત્ર છે. નેક્સ્ટ 80D, મેડિક્લેમ. Only individual assessee and HUF are eligible for this deduction. In case of member himself, his family member, his spouse and children, the amount of deduction is 25,000. In case of senior citizen, the deduction amount is 30,000 instead of 25,000. For parents, whether they are live with her or not, એટલે કે એની સાથે રહે છે કે નહીં એ જરૂરી નથી, ડિપેન્ડન્ટ છે કે નહીં એ જરૂરી નથી, પણ પેરેન્ટ્સનું પણ અલગથી બાદ મળી શકે, ડિડક્શન લઈ શકીએ 25,000. ઇન કેસ જો પેરેન્ટ સિનિયર સિટીઝન હશે તો 30,000 એનું મેડિકલ પ્રીમિયમ બાદ મળવા પાત્ર છે, એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ છે, ડિડક્ટિબલ છે. HUF માટે કોઈ પણ એના મેમ્બર્સ માટે 25,000 પ્રીમિયમ. ઇન કેસ ઓફ મેમ્બર જો સિનિયર સિટીઝન હોય તો 30,000. કન્ડિશન, such premium paid from taxable income of assessee for the health of assessee. The premium must have been paid by any other mode than cash. It must have been paid toward medical insurance premium on health of assessee himself, spouse, parents, family member of HUF, etc. આ કોઈ માટે મેડિકલનું પ્રીમિયમ પેઇડ કરવામાં આવશે તો એ ડિડક્ટિબલ થશે. નેક્સ્ટ 80DD, મેડિકલ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ઓફ ડિપેન્ડન્ટ. This is eligible for individual and HUF only. Maximum deduction is allowed 75,000. In case of several disability 1,25,000. That means more than 80%, 1,25,000. Condition, such handicapped person must be dependent on assessee. To claim such deduction, a medical certificate is required by civil surgeon. The deduction for deposit in approved scheme by the government. Next 80DDB, medical treatment of self or dependent for specified disease. Eligibility, only resident individual assessee and HUF are eligible for it. Maximum deduction is allowed rupees 40,000. In case of senior citizen, the deduction is allowed 60,000. To claim this deduction, there are several conditions. A certificate issued by medical officer is required. List of specified disease, neurological disease, cancer, AIDS, corneal, renal failure, hemophilia and thalassemia. These are the specified disease. Any treatment કરવા માટે એક્ઝમ્પ્ટેડ ડિડક્શન મળવાપાત્ર છે. એલિજિબલ only resident individual assessee is eligible for this deduction. 80E education loan, maximum deduction is allowed up to maximum 8 year or till interest is paid, whichever is earlier. Condition: assessee must have taken loan for education purpose for any financial institute. The loan must be taken from higher education purpose only. Amount of interest is paid by assessee from his taxable income. Amount of interest paid by assessee from his taxable income only. Of last year income, previous year income only. Amount of interest paid during the current previous year. The purpose of loan is for education purpose of self, spouse, children or dependent brother and sister. 80G donation. There are total 4 type of donation. First, 10% limit is applicable. Second, 10% limit is not applicable. In 10% limit not applicable, 100% of actual donation is allowed as a deduction. 10% limit is not applicable, 50% of donation is allowed as a deduction. Same 10% limit is applicable, 100% of revised donation, 50% of revised donation. These are the types of donation which come in which part. Condition: donation is given to approved institute or fund. Qualifying donation is restricted to 10% of total income of assessee. How to find total income? Okay, total gross income minus deduction under section 80, that is except 80G. Income on which income tax is not payable, that is tax free income minus thase. Long term capital gain minus thase. Short term capital gain minus thase. Income referred in section 115 to 11D એ માઇનસ થશે. બાકી જે વધશે એને ટોટલ ઇન્કમ કહેવાશે અને એના ઉપર 10% લિમિટ ક્વોલિફાય થશે. નો ડિડક્શન શેલ બી અલાઉડ અંડર ધીસ સેક્શન in respect donation of any sum exceed ₹1000 unless such sum is paid by mode other than cash. Means 1000 કરતા વધારેનું ડોનેશન રોકડામાં કેશમાં હશે તો બાદ મળવા પાત્ર નથી. It is assessee's responsibility to prove that the donation has been actually paid. 80U physical or mental disability. This is applicable for only individual assessee. In case of 40% or more disability, the amount of deduction is 75,000. In case of several disability, that is 80% or more, the amount of deduction is 1,25,000. These are the conditions to claim the deduction. Provide medical surgeon, medical authority certificate. Individual is resident only. Disability na types: blind, low vision, leprosy code, hearing impairment, locomotive disability, mental illness, OSTRIM. These are the several type of disability. So here our deduction from income is completed. In next session we will start our next part, that is residential status. Thank you.